Hello, welcome to new video. Today, we are going to learn how to remove backgrounds from images. Online method without Photoshop. Go to this website, link in the description. Now, go to login here. First we have to register this website. Follow these steps to register. I register using Gmail account. Close this window and go to the website. Now you can see log out button. Now, registration is okay. Let's go to edit. Choose a photo which you want to edit. Now, select the best result. But, I know this is a simple image to remove the background. Because of it, I will edit complex photo after this photo editing. You have two methods to download photos: PNG type or JPG type. Now hard one.